Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to So Easy Edutainment YouTube channel. So, today we are going to do another activity which is lesson 3. The theme is people and culture and our focus is on language awareness. We'll go straight to what we're going to learn today. Actually, you are not learning something new. You have learned about present simple and present continuous while you were in Form 1 and Form 2. And so, these are the examples of the present simple form in the positive, negative, question, short answer. So this is actually the same as you can see as what you can see in your textbook. So let's look at the positive. In the present simple form, you don't need to add s for an I or you. But for other singular pronouns such as he, she, and it, you need to add the letter s at the verbs. For example, work becomes works. He works. She works. It works. For a plural pronoun, we and they, the verb is just work. Kata nama singular ataupun satu atau seorang, verb kata kerja kita tambah s. Kalau pula kata nama plural ataupun ramai, verb dia ataupun kata kerja yang kita sambungkan tu tak ada s. Tetapi berbeza untuk I dan juga you. The same thing goes for negative. So remember, when we say negative, it means the word not. You will see the word not. Do not become don't. You can also write it as don't. Does not, you can also write it as doesn't. Okay, the same rules apply. You can see here the letter S, okay? What about question? The same rules still apply as well as for the short answer. Alright, so for negative form, you don't need to add the letter S to the verb work because you can see there's an S to the word do. Okay? He doesn't work, not he doesn't works. The same thing for question. Does she work? Not does she works. Okay? Alright, for present simple. Next, for present simple versus continuous. So the meaning, okay? Let's look at this. We use present simple to talk about habits or irregular actions or situation. Habit maksudnya benda yang berulang. Ada benda yang selalu kita buat. For example, I wash my hair every day. He usually gets up very early. For present continuous, it shows it. We use it for actions in progress, now, around now. Untuk aktiviti yang berlaku sekarang, yang tengah berlaku sekarang ataupun lebih kurang waktu sekarang. For example, I cannot talk. I am brushing my teeth. I am reading a new book. I love it. We also use present simple for facts, permanent situation or states. Satu keadaan ataupun fakta ataupun situasi di mana dia tidak berubah. Okay, for example, I have one brother. He lives in Paris. Water boils at 100 degrees. Next, for present continuous. Kalau tadi permanent, fakta tak berubah, present continuous kita boleh guna untuk temporary actions or situation. Satu keadaan yang hanya seketika ataupun sementara. For example, I am going to work by bus this week. I'm living with my cousins. I'm living with my cousins until I find an apartment. Jadi semua ni hanya sementara. Next, with stative verb, we use present simple with stative verb. For example, give me the money. I need it now. What happened? You look sad. Okay, for present continuous, we use it for changing or developing situation. Dia berubah. Situasi yang berubah. The climate is changing very quickly. Your English is improving. Next, we also use present simple for future timetable event. Maksud dia untuk keadaan masa depan yang berada dalam jadual. Okay, maksud dia tak berubah lah. The train leaves at 4. The exams start next Monday. Okay, kita guna present continuous untuk future actions that are decided. Satu perbuatan atau situasi kerja yang akan berlaku pada masa hadapan tetapi memang dah ditentukan. For example, I am meeting John this evening. We are leaving tomorrow at 7 a.m. So you can also look at the signal words for present simple. These are the words that shows that the sentences are in present simple. These are the signal words for present continuous. Okay, you may also read this down below. Okay, this is basically the same thing, only that they are in a different form. So just now, from here to here. Okay, let's move on. Now, it's just a recall activity. We are not learning something new. Therefore, we are just going to do the activity. So, for present simple and present continuous, look at A. Read the sentences below. Match each sentence with one use of the present simple. Okay, baca ayat di bawah. Kemudian, padankan ayat ni, contoh nombor 1 ni dengan yang mana. Ini bukan kita cari maksud. Tapi kita cari apa kegunaan dia. Apa kegunaan boils dekat sini? Boil ni memanglah maksud mendidih. Tapi apa kegunaan dia dekat sini? Untuk menerangkan apa? Fakta. Untuk menerangkan situasi yang tidak berubah. Jadi kita nak tengok tu, kita nak cuba faham semula present simple. Jadi untuk kita faham present simple, ayat ni kita tengok ni, dia menerangkan apa? Sesuatu aktiviti yang macam mana? Ingat balik, kalau kamu rujuk pada sini, present continuous menerangkan ini, tapi kita tengok A tu adalah present simple, habit, fakta, stative verb dan future timetable event. Okay. Be careful, beware of that. Next, read the sentences below. Match each sentence with one use of the present continuous. Sama juga. Kalau tadi kita bercakap tentang present simple di bahagian atas, kamu hanya perlu padankan kegunaan dia. Apakah yang berlaku dalam ayat nombor 1 tu? Sebab dia melibatkan present continuous. For example, you are always interrupting me. Adakah dia bermaksud future plan? Tidak. Adakah dia menerangkan annoying habit? Adakah dia menerangkan actions happening now? Itu kamu cuba jawab. Next, stative verbs. Ingat tadi kita dah sebut stative verb dekat awal tadi. Kamu boleh patah balik dan tengok apa penerangan untuk stative verb. Read the sentences below and underline the verbs. Underline the verbs. Mana satukah verb dia dekat sini? Nombor 1, nombor 2, nombor 3 dan nombor 4. D. Complete the rule with the present simple or present continuous. Ini adalah satu undang-undang. Undang-undang. Okay. So, baca undang-undang ni, we don't use some verbs in continuous tenses. They are called stative because they describe states and not actions. To talk about the present, we use these verbs in the present simple atau present continuous. Kalau kamu nak tahu, kamu boleh rujuk dalam buku teks kamu. Ada penerangan di bahagian belakang sekali yang bercakap tentang present simple dan juga present continuous. Atau kamu boleh just Google. Okay, sorry. Next, E. Some verbs can be both stative and action verbs. Jadi ada setengah verb boleh jadi stative dan juga boleh jadi action verb. Apa dia tu? Kamu kena ingat balik apa yang kamu pernah belajar di tingkatan 1 dan 2. But with a different meaning. How does the meaning of think change in the sentences below? Okay, so macam mana perkataan think ni? Maksud perkataan think, bukan translation dalam bahasa Melayu ya. Maksud perkataan think ni berubah dalam ayat ni. For example, dalam ayat 1, they think that having a lot of children is fantastic. Number 2, they are thinking of moving house this year. Apa beza dia 1 dan 2 ni? Ini Easy nak tanya dekat kamu. Kalau kamu tahu jawapan dia, tulis dekat komen bawah tu. Next, choose the correct answers. This is very simple. Quiet William, why so noisy this morning? So dekat sini kebanyakan sama ada jawapan dia berada dalam present tense ataupun present continuous. Okay, simple present ataupun present continuous. Itu sahaja. Next for G, sama juga. Kali ni kamu isi sendiri. Think. Dalam bentuk present continuous ataupun present simple. Itu sahaja. Jadi untuk hari ini, kita lebih kepada aktiviti pengukuhan. Sebab semuanya kamu dah pernah belajar sewaktu kamu di tingkatan 1 dan tingkatan 2. Yang ni kita nak cuba recall dan ingat balik. Kita nak uji sejauh mana kamu ingat. Kalau kamu berada di rumah, kamu boleh rujuk pada buku teks kamu di bahagian belakang di mana ada nota reference. Ataupun kamu juga boleh search di Google untuk penerangan yang lebih lanjut. Ataupun kamu juga boleh tanya pada guru kamu. Okay, thank you very much everyone. That's it for today. Bye-bye.